infinite scrolling and footer, they don't work together. This is very frustrating. Look at this website, for example. I actually really like Dev.to because the layout, the whatever, it's a nice website. But if you are on the front page and start scrolling down and then decide to jump to the button by pressing the end button, then you see well, have you seen it? There was a footer for a fraction of the second. Again, I'll press enter, you can see the footer and then it disappears. So infinite scrolling is this action where you scroll down to the bottom of the page and then it automatically loads and shows more content. And this can be a nice feature, but when you reach the bottom and you see the footer and it disappears, that's pretty frustrating because you try to reach it now, the footer, and you can't. So the same thing works actually. So if you click on one of the pages and click on the end button and you reach the footer, there it works because that's the fixed size. It doesn't have a more content to load, so that's fine. But on the main page, well, not so good. So it's also actually, if you go to the tags page and you visit any of the tags, let's say web dev, not the one that I'm following now. Okay, whatever, following, not following. If I click on the web dev, it happens the same. So you can scroll down, I press the end button, and it automatically loads more. So there are a couple of pages where you have this infinite scrolling, and then the footer doesn't make sense there, I think. And there are other pages where footer makes sense. So this is the problem. I actually also looked at at the source code. So how do I get to the source code? The whole point of this story was to get into the source code of Dev.to, and that's why I went to the bottom. So here there's a link to the Dev.to, and then a link to Forum, which is the open source project running this website actually. So I went to there, and here I can find that there is a link to GitHub. So I figured, I sort of remembered that I already saw this problem, and I even talked about it, but I didn't remember well where. So I went to this and I tried to open the issues and see if I already reported it. So scrolling, and there are many of these issues. Let's say infinite scrolling, none of them. Then I went to the closed ones, and indeed it's reported. It's not by me, but someone already reported. Maybe I also reported at one point. So it's closed. I didn't read this. Okay, I didn't read it. I found that there is another one related. So it was closed because it was a duplicate. And this other one is also closed, not fixed. It's closed. It was moved to discussions. So people talked about it a lot, and it still hasn't been fixed somehow. I don't know. I don't really like this part of it, but well, whatever. Enjoy the videos, and if you like this video, then please like it and follow the channel. Bye.